Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Grace. I'm so glad you are here with me today.
Today's video is all about how to drape the Jalu jumpsuit. It's one size fits most, no pattern needed, and beginner friendly. Let's get started. You will need about 3.5 yards or 3.2 meter of fabric. I'm using velvet based on the result of the poll. For this tutorial, I'm using a mini version of the pattern, so it's easier for you to follow. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. For the straps, I'm using velvet tape this time, but if you'd like to use the same fabric, here are the measurements. Now, let's move on to the sewing part. Step 1. Finish the raw edges. You can overlock, zigzag, or serge them to prevent fraying. I noticed this velvet doesn't fray as much as other types, so I experimented. I serged one half and left the other untrimmed. Step 2. Add the pockets. Step 3. Sew the side seams and inseams. This part can be a little tricky, but we've got this. From the top, mark 12 inches down, then sew for about 7 inches. Leave a 6-inch pocket opening, and then continue sewing the rest of the side seam all the way down to the hem. Next, open up the seam allowance and top stitch it down to hold it flat. Step 4. Join the crotch seams together and sew along the curve. Step 5. Make a casing for the straps. Step 6. Add a kangaroo pocket if you'd like. This part is optional. This is how I make the pattern using my old clothes as a guide. For the kangaroo pocket, you can use any fun fabric or favorite remnant you love. It will make the project even more fun. Step 7. The last step. Insert the straps. Now, your jumpsuit can effortlessly adjust to fit your curve and contours. And that's how I made the Jalu jumpsuit. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Jalu moments. Thank you.